Well, now that I got all the clutter out of this new shack, let me give you a little bit better look. So I'm gonna have a TV sitting here. My desk is going to sit right in this area here. And then this is the main power wall. I'll have a shelving system, something over here that radios will be sitting on and things like that. Keep the desk clutter down. And then I'll have a green screen sitting back there. Probably over here would be a workbench, I'm thinking, or the 3D printer, I'm not sure which. And then this wall will be kind of a workbench slash print 3D printing, whatever. So it's coming together pretty well. I am getting ready to paint. I took down most of the, actually I think I got all of the old trim up for the suspended ceiling, because I'm gonna restructure things a little bit so I can get it down a little bit, wrap this thing up with some insulation to kind of sound deaden a little bit. That's kind of the big behemoth I gotta deal with right here, is to make sure I can get my ceiling underneath it decently. I've figured out how I'm routing coax, so I can get that going here soon. And yeah, it's gonna be a big thing, but I think it will look good when done. Coax, I've figured out. I think I'm gonna come in through here. I'm gonna have a, oh, let me turn around. So you kind of see a little screw stick out there and kind of screw stick out there. I'll have a panel here where coax is coming in, common ground, etc. And then I'll just run across. So running across the ceiling, I think will be the best. There'll be insulation on top of that to sound deaden things a little bit. Otherwise should be looking pretty good. So I'm gonna paint, get the grid work up so I can finish up all the electrical, and then go from there. So that is the shack update for today, January 11th. And when I start this, just before Christmas, I think, or just after Christmas. So make quite a bit of progress throughout all that time. And let me tell you, some of these materials are not as cheap as they used to be. I know people have said that before, but I haven't done much construction in the last couple of years. So yeah, things are not as cheap. So probably next video is when everything is kind of sort of wired up, and then I'll start showing you how I'm doing the radio side, which is what everyone here is looking for anyway. So 7-3.